Hey y'all, it's Kari. I am here today with my skincare routine that I have been doing and following, and I can say my face has been loving it for the most part. Excuse my hair, I just needed it up on my face. I made some at home face masks that I've been doing, and I don't know if y'all could tell, but like my hyperpigmentations that's normally right here are kind of sort of fading a little bit. My dryness has kind of gone down a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I'm gonna show you how to make one actually, and if y'all want a video on how you make the other one, just tell me, because I will, because you know we're in quarantine, we're all bored, so I'm happy to do it. If you want the routine, if you want the look, keep watching. Okay, so before I show you guys the skincare, I just want to show you guys the soaps that I am recommending. This is actually the soap that I am using in this video. It's so bomb. But this is my Dr. Bronner's tea tree. Tea tree helps with a lot of things, and I really haven't been breaking out since I've been using this. Like, this soap is so bomb, so I highly recommend peppermint one. So I use this one. I started off using this one before the tea tree, and you can use this on your scalp to wash your hair. You can use all of them on your scalp, but this is the one I prefer. Like, this leaves you tingling everywhere you put it, everywhere. Your like right here, under your pets, behind your ears. Ooh, that'd be the best feeling, y'all. It just feels so refreshing. So this is what I use on my actual body. Sometimes I use it on my face, but that tea tree one, it took this one place for face. So really, yeah, I've been just using this for my body. All right, y'all, so this is the first thing that I would normally do, and I don't do all these in one day. I pick a mask. Sometimes I'll just wash my face, and I'll do like a face mask every other day. It just depends on how I feel and how I feel like my skin needs to be pampered that day. It stinks. Oh, it stinks so bad, but it worked. What this is baking soda, honey, lemon juice. Make sure, like, when you make it, or I can do a video, it doesn't matter, you kind of want to do a paste. Like, it kind of needs to be a paste, but then again, it just depends on how much baking soda or how much lemon juice you put in. It's gonna look like this. And yes, there are seeds in there. I just didn't never get them out. So what I do is I take a plastic knife and I just do like that. Alright, so I'm going to give you the perks of each product used in this mask, starting with lemon. So lemon is contained with a whole bunch of vitamin C, which means that it's a fighting antioxidant, and it leaves your skin like even toned. It brightens it clearly, it helps motivate your pores to close and your face to tighten, resulting in like smoother skin. But y'all, I definitely do not recommend this, like just putting this on your face like by itself. Honey opens up your pores to clean them clearly, and it gets rid of blackheads. It's an antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibacterial. It allows the skin to fight off acne and keeping your pores free of oil and dirt. You wouldn't think that. I know I wouldn't, but honey just keeps your skin hydrated. And I also like to use honey in my hair sometimes if it's really like dry. So honey is really good. So the perks of using baking soda is it removes dead skin cells and it soothes inflammation. Baking soda can be a facial scrub on its own, so I haven't tried it, but I want to. So yeah, baking soda is that girl. She can be used all on her own. So when you're done applying the mask, so as you notice, I only put it on my darker areas. I don't put this all over because this can be kind of drying, because lemon is drying. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. This is what you should look like. So I've already started wiping it off. I had wiped it off on camera, but my mic wasn't on. I just already wet my towel with some warm water, and you just wipe it all off. You don't have to worry about like being precise and getting it all off, because the next thing we're about to do is go ahead and wash it. So that's the aftermath of this. So next, after you wipe off that mask, you can go ahead and wet your face. Clearly, I would do this in the restroom, but I hate our bathrooms at home. And you just want to get that all lathered up. I love this soap. Oh my gosh. It does wonders. I have not had like a real breakout since I've started using this soap. I've probably been using it for like a good, if not a month, I'm coming up on it. Ooh, that's so good. Uh-oh, where my towel? Don't be a dummy and put it in your eyes like me. This stuff will burn the mess out you, bro. So I'm gonna go rinse this off my face and I'll be right back. So y'all, I just rinsed off with like warm water. Look at my face, like, you know, a few dark marks here and there, but this is the best my skin has ever looked in a long time. And so to top off that, to bring me back moisture, I'm taking coffee blend, and this is, you know, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use like real coffee beans, but y'all, it worked the same. So y'all be better than me, find something better, pour it in there. All right. So now I'm taking some extra virgin olive oil in, so I'm gonna pour a little bit more. Alright, it's still a bit lumpy, but it's still moving better than how you see how it's falling. So now this can get messy. So extra virgin olive oil, it hydrates the skin by building the skin's moisture barrier to prevent loss of moisture. And like I tell y'all all the time, I have dry skin, so doing this step after everything else kind of just puts moisture back into my skin. It's used as it is an anti-inflammatory, it's an antibacterial and anti-aging properties. It's also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. So what I love about coffee is it is used as an exfoliant. It is a source of nutrients and antioxidants that your skin may benefit from. And you can use it on your scalp. It treats acne. It increases your blood flow, and it's a balance for your pH levels. You can use this all over your body. Like when I nair, I use it after I'm done like nairing or shaving, just to like get that very, very smooth effect on my legs for the most part, and my elbows, y'all. My elbows be crusty sometimes, so this really helps and give your girl moisture. So now my face is very soft, very smooth after washing that off. So y'all, this is what my skin is looking like after I have completed everything. I am so proud of my skin. I know some of y'all are probably like, girl, you still got stuff all over it, but I don't see any pimples. I don't know, this is the best my skin has ever looked. It just looks smooth. Hopefully, you know, very soon we won't even see none of this. If y'all do anything special for y'all dark spots, let me know, because I want these to be going very soon. That's all I have for you guys today. If you try any of these homemade face masks or the bronzer soap, let me know, because it's all bomb. So I'll see y'all later in my next video. Bye.